Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera and I'm Shefali. In a recent development, senior Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has intensified his criticism on External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar regarding Operation Sindoor. Gandhi reiterated his earlier claim that the Indian government informed Pakistan at the start of the operation, asserting that the section was not merely a lapse but a crime. He further questioned the authorization of this communication and the subsequent losses incurred by the Indian Air Force. Reposting a video of Dr. Jaishankar's media interaction, Gandhi remarked that the minister's silence isn't just telling, it's damning, and once again demanded clarify on the number of aircrafts lost due to Pakistan's prior knowledge of the operation. He emphasized that the nation deserves the truth.
Because even at the start of the operation, we had sent a message to Pakistan saying we are striking at terrorist infrastructure, we are not striking at the military. So the military has an option of standing out and not interfering in this process. They chose not to take that good advice.
Congress spokesperson Pawan Khera echoed Gandhi's concerns during a press briefing, alleging that informing Pakistan beforehand was not an act of diplomacy but rather espionage. He questioned the relationship between the External Affairs Minister and Pakistan, suggesting that this prior communication may have facilitated the escape of terrorists like Masood Azhar and Hasif Saeed from India's air strikes on terror bases.
और उसके बाद जयशंकर इस तरह का बयान दें जो पाकिस्तान में और पूरे देश में, पूरे विश्व में हमारी हंसी उड़ रही है। इसलिए राहुल गांधी बार बार कह रहे हैं कि आप जवाब दीजिए इस फोरवार्निंग से, ये जो आपने पहले ही पाकिस्तान को बता दिया, इससे देश को क्या नुकसान हुआ। यह हमारा लिए जानना बहुत जरूरी है। देश के कितने हवाई जहाज गिरे, देश को क्या नुकसान हुआ और कितने आतंकी बच के भाग गए, ये जानना हम सबके लिए बहुत जरूरी है।
In response, the Ministry of External Affairs clarified that Dr. Jaishankar's remarks were being misrepresentative. The ministry stated that the minister had indicated that Pakistan was warned at the start of the operation, referring to the early phase after its commencement, not before it began. This clarification was supported by a statement from Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai, Director General of Military Operations, who mentioned that attempts to communicate Pakistan's compulsion to strike at the heart of terror was turned down, with an intimation that a reverse or severe response was inevitable.
Of our adversary, and even though we did attempt to reach out and communicate our compulsions to strike at the heart of terror to my counterpart in the immediate wake of Operation Sindoor, the request was brusquely turned down, with an intimation that a severe response was inevitable and in the offing. We were of course prepared.
The Press Information Bureau's fact-check wing also addressed the issue, stating that Jaishankar was being misquoted. A social media post falsely implied that India informed Pakistan before the start of Operation Sindoor, which the PIB clarified was not the case. Now, the Bharatiya Janata Party had shortly criticized Gandhi's allegations, accusing him of misrepresenting the minister's remarks with mafiad intent. BJP spokesperson Tuhi Sinha questioned the timing of Gandhi's statements, suggesting that they were aimed at undermining the External Affairs Minister while he was abroad. Sinha further stated that only someone with a juvenile, vile intent would repeatedly question the External Affairs Minister when doubts have begun allaying time and again, casting doubt on Gandhi's and the Congress party's intention. This exchange highlights the ongoing political tensions between the Congress and BJP over national security issues, with both parties accusing each other of the misinterpretation and political maneuvering. That's all for now on this update. Stay tuned to The Savera, download the app and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube.